Hi, I am Dr. Pradeep Kumar N. I am a consultant plastic surgeon in Bangalore. So, most of my patient will come and ask me, is there any risk or complications in undergoing facial nerve reconstruction surgeries? As any other surgery, it is a very simple surgery. There is no complications associated with it. It is a meticulous surgery. It has to be done with care with a qualified surgeon where he is able to connect the nerves properly, where he is able to preserve the functions properly, able to stop bleeding properly. When done in correct hands, it poses no risk or complications and recovery will be faster and quicker.